Hi everyone, let's see the simulation of push button and LED with Proteus. Let's create the IOC file, make PC13 as the input state, and let's it should be in pull up mode, and make PA5 as output state. Now let's create the main file, add the headers like as include std bool, and in void push button function, let's add the code. The microcontroller reads the logic level of the button pin as PC13. The button is pressed. PC13 is normally high because of the internal pull-up resistor. When the button is pressed, it connects the pin to the ground, making it low. So the variable button status will store either 1 or 0 depending on the button state. This line checks for the whether the button is pressed. Remember, when the button is pressed, the pin reads 0 because it is pulled down to the ground. If it is pulled, the button is pressed, the command sets PA5 high, which means the LED connects to the pin and will turn on. Okay, if it is not pressed, then the else part of the code will be executed. If the button is not pressed, then the program runs this else part. So it says PA5 to reset condition and the LED will be off. So if we press the button, LED turns on. So if we release the button, the LED turns off. Now let's execute this in Proteus. In Proteus, we need to give the hex file in the STM board. We need to connect PA5 to the LED and the LED should be grounded. Now PC13 should be connected to the push button and the another end of push button should be grounded. Let's add in this edit properties. We need to add the X file. I already added and I'll give OK. Now let's run it. So if I click this, the LED will glow. If I release it, the LED will off. So this is the simulation of push button and LED with the Proteus. So with this, the code gets end. And thank you.